In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update your HY300. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This projector, much like any other model, will have plenty of different versions, and when you purchase it, it might not be up to date with the latest firmware available. So in order to check for updates and make sure that you always have the latest version available, go over into the settings. So on your projector, head over into the settings page. And inside of the settings, you will find the update available in About Us. So go to About Us or About this projector, and then you will see information about the device, and finally the two upgrade types. So you have local upgrade, which relies on a USB stick with the files needed for the update, and then finally online upgrade. This is going to be the most convenient option and the one that I recommend. So all that you have to do is choose this option. This will acquire all of the necessary update files over a Wi-Fi network. So if you haven't connected it to the internet, go into networking settings and connect it here. Once it is connected to a network, it will be able to grab these files online and perform the update on its own. You just have to let this process finish, and once it is done, it might reboot itself, letting you know that it has now been updated. It is easy to do, and all that you have to choose is online upgrade from the settings menu after you go to About Us or About this device. If you don't see the online upgrade method, then sadly you might have to rely on local upgrade. For this, you will need a USB stick with all of the needed update files already attached to the flash drive. And after you plug it in to the HY300, you can choose the option. So I hope I was able to help you on how to update your HY300 projector. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like and subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos for you. So consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.